Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku on a keypad phone. Sudoku is a popular logic puzzle where you fill a 9x9 grid. Your objective is to place the digits 1 through 9 into each row, each column, and each of the 9 3x3 subgrids. It's a fantastic way to challenge your mind and improve your logical thinking skills, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Inputting numbers on a keypad phone is straightforward. First, use your directional keys, usually the up, down, left, and right buttons, to move the cursor and select the empty cell where you want to place a number. Once a cell is highlighted, simply press the number key from 1 to 9 on your keypad to enter your chosen digit. If you make a mistake, just reselect the cell and press a different number. Navigating the Sudoku grid on your keypad phone is intuitive. The directional keys allow you to move freely across the 9x9 board. The center button, often labeled OK or Select, typically confirms your choice or opens a context menu for the selected cell. Some games also provide helpful tools like pencil marks, allowing you to note down possible numbers in a cell before committing to one. To play Sudoku effectively, start by looking for cells where only one number can possibly fit. This is often called single candidate strategy. Next, systematically scan each row, column, and 3x3 block to identify missing digits and eliminate possibilities. Consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better you will become at spotting patterns and solving puzzles quickly. Enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.